When your spine is out of proper alignment, it's like the light switch has been turned off. There's a lack of communication between your body organs and your brain. Misaligned or curved spinal cords put pressure on and hinder signals. Fractions of an inch are the difference between nerve communication and blockage. If we remove pressure or damage to your nerves in any part of you, this is a completely drug-free path to healing your body naturally. We help you get healthy by fixing the electrical system in your body